Direction 430, runway 22 at Charlie, ready to go.
Direction 430, Rochester Tower, wind 3403, runway 22, clear for takeoff.
Let's take up Director 430.
Direction 430, you guys okay?
Yeah, what did you see?
Direction 430, the plane, and it still looks like there's a light flashing coming off the front engine.
Yeah, that's what we're getting. We need to come back.
Direction 430, roger. Turn your discretion into left or right traffic.
Right traffic. And I'm going to level up at 2,000.
Direction 430, roger, and runway 22, go land.
22 clear to land, right-hand traffic. Tower Dragster 430.
Direction 430, it doesn't look like it's until you see that far now.
Okay, can you give me vectors? I can't see the airport right now.
Direction 430, roger. Continue right turn heading 040.
040, Dragster 830.
Direction 430, just let me know when you see the airport again. Direction 430, I did just tell the car what it's doing when you asked that question. Basically wrong shortly just in case.
Alright, very good. Yeah, just give me radar vectors, please, for 430.
Direction 430, no problem.
Alright.
Direction 430, turn right heading 130.
30, Director 430.
Turning up rescue 2 on number 4, and just for your information, I'm sure you guys saw from up there, it looks like compressor stall on the number 1.
Rescue 1, that's what I was looking like.
Yeah, I heard it when he took off and then saw some flashes from the left engine as well, so.
Yeah, that sounds what I noticed first as well. Direction 430, airport now at your 1 to 2 o'clock and 7 miles.
Director 430,
You got any more arrivals before you get back here?
Direction 430, say what again?
can you just keep vectoring us for now?
Direction 430, not a problem. Direction 430, turn right heading 190, and we're going to localizer.
190 to intercept the 2 localized Director 430.
We got the pills inside 430.
Direction 430, runway 22, go land.
Clear land 430.
And for rescue 1, if you could notify us if he's getting any abnormal indications or anything from the flight deck.
Rescue 1, roger. Direction 430, any abnormal indications? Rescue 1, I have to go a bit busy right now. Hopefully get that information on the ground.
And 430 is going to stop on the runway.
Direction 430, roger.
At 430.
Track 430 tower.
Just rest is coming out, look at engine number 1.
Track 430, okay, let's start coming out right now. Actually, let me see if I want to switch over to the screen frequency so I can talk to you directly.
Okay.
You want them to come over to 11, switch frequencies to 11915 for you guys?
1915, yeah, on the runway.
Track 430, change frequency to 119.15.